Good afternoon, all. First of all, wish you happy Navratri wishes to everyone. Today, about that happiness, I will tell very useful and valuable points. This is Happy Srinivas. Happiness is not a choice, it is a conscious decision thinking. Most of the times, in the things we will seek the happiness, but that happiness is always only temporary. After that, again we will seek for further things. So temporary happiness is completely different from the permanent happiness. When that permanent happiness will come, that thing also I will tell you. See, normally the happiness state, where exactly it is, I will tell you. First, knowledge. When we have that correct knowledge, then the purity comes. Okay. After that, peace. Next, love. After that, happiness comes. So in that consequence, if we understand that, to get that happiness is very simple. Most of the times, people will seek the happiness. If I go further, like foreign place or Kerala or Goa, like that, if we go there, then I will be happy, like that we will think. See, wherever we go, that will be only temporary. So until unless we know the true real happiness, we keep on searching for the happiness in the things. There is a one dialogue also, it is there. We have to love human beings, things we have to use, but we are using mostly reverse based. Because of that, we are losing that happiness also. True happiness, not simply earning money, saving and spending. With less things, if we are living, then that will also give more happiness. Okay, so anytime, whenever, if we want to do some activity, internally when we think, then automatically we can manifest that one. Sankalp se siddhi banta hai. So what exactly we are thinking in the mind, that is only the manifesting outside. Most of the times, simply by listening or reading, we cannot change that one. But in the internal subconscious mind, what that positive affirmation thought we are creating without any doubt, that is giving that correct change externally. So always two times anything will happen, first internally in the mind, next externally. But anytime external things, it should not be affected your happiness, because if the happiness is affecting that one, then we are losing our internal true thing. See, the happiness, if it is coming in with the reason, then it goes with the reason only. Okay, outside anything we are doing, that one desperately we are doing, that means internal vacuum for filling only we are doing so many things. Okay, but if we keep on filling that vacuum, means again in the forest, like what I have to say, for water, for seeking, like that we keep on searching that happiness throughout the life. But very few people will realize few things, like one is human being, human doing. Those two, very few people will realize that one, because being state is always more important than the doing state. Most of the times we will prepare external things completely, but internally little bit doubt, or later we will think that one, but it is not always correct. But when we are keep on thinking properly internally without any doubt, then automatically your external activity, it will go very smoothly. Okay, so many people know about this happiness, but with the pleasure, unpleasure, there are two factors are there. Pleasure means, if I do something, then I will be happy. If I achieve something, I will be happy. Okay, that means We are postponing that happiness till we achieve that one. Even though after we achieve anything, again temporarily we will be happy, again we are seeking for further happiness.